everybody, so today I am making a salad kind of similar to my soup. This is stuff that I just had around the house and I had either in my pantry, so some of the beans I had in the pantry, and some of the other things I'll let you know what came from a can, what came from my refrigerator, all those good things. So I'm going to be making 2 salads today, and I have some lettuce already in the bowl. This is butter lettuce. I really like it. It's nice and soft when I eat it. I have leftover noodles from my soup, leftover barley from my soup, some more chicken that I cooked up. I also have some avocado, which I think is really, really yummy. Some garbanzo beans, which came from a can. Some beets, which also came from a can, some sweet peppers, and this is what they look like. I chopped them up so that they're a little bit easier to eat. So I won't be putting the whole pepper in, but I will be putting the other in. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna add in is my noodles. So what I wanna do with my salads to make them nice and big is I'm gonna do my salad on the side. That way you can kind of decide what you wanna eat when you wanna eat it. I'm gonna do half in each. So this is the barley. I'm putting this in half. There we go. I'm gonna put these balls to the side. Okay, next I'm gonna move my pepper out of the way. This is quite a bit, so I'm gonna put this in next. And the stuff that's not as much, I'm just gonna kind of top it. It's looking really, really bright and colorful, and I really like it. I'm going to put my beans over here so that's a little bit of room. These are garbanzo beans. These are some of my favorite beans. And when you're doing this, kind of think of what you would make if you go to a salad bar like Sweet Tomato or something like that. What do you like to get when you go there? Maybe you like to do peas. Maybe you like the boiled eggs. All right, let's see. I'm gonna do some beets. Where should I stick those? Maybe I'll stick them right on the barley. So I have 6 beets. Oops. I'm gonna make sure I clean that up because beets are very, very bright and they will stain. On top, I'm gonna put my chicken. And I'm gonna put my avocado on the top too. Okay. And then what I think I will do is I have these little dishes. And I'm gonna put my dressing in the dish so that the person I'm serving it to, Mr. Kevin, and I can decide how much we want to put in while we're eating. Use any dressing that you like. So our salads are ready to go. Thank you so much for watching. Hi everybody, so I'm eating my salad right now and it's really, really good. My favorite part is the avocado because it's a little bit mushy with all the really crunchy, awesome things in there. And I wanted to make sure that you guys knew that my noodles and my barley are cold, so they've been in the refrigerator overnight. So that makes the salad nice and cool. And this is just such a good dish to eat for lunch. It's really refreshing and it's gonna give you lots of nutrients and get you ready for the rest of your day. So have an awesome day. I love you so much. Bye.